Hello student, in this video lecture we are going to discuss about electroconvulsion therapy. In short, it is termed as ECT. The ECT means it is in this therapy electric current are passed through the electrodes. Two electrodes or one electrode is placed lateral side of head and electric current was passed through it. This therapy based on the theory of electrophysical theory, brain wave theory or neuro transmission theory. According to this theory, the according to this theory, the ECT make the abnormal brain wave in the normal brain wave. ECT क्या करती है, जो abnormal brain wave होती हैं उनको नॉर्मल ब्रेन वेव में कन्वर्ट कर सकती है. ये थ्योरी ऐसा मान के चलती है. दूसरी थ्योरी जो है न्यूरोट्रांसमीटरल थ्योरी. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस द ECT मेंटेन्स द न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर बैलेंस इन द brain. Both these theories are suggest that ECT can cause abnormality. ECT can convert the abnormality into the normality. These are the theory. First time the ECT introduced in 1938. The Italian psychiatrists Ugo and Bini. दो साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने इटालियन साइकेट्रिस्ट थे जिन्होंने 1938 में फर्स्ट टाइम ECT को डिस्कवर किया. What is the goal of ECT? If we are taking the goal, the two main goals of ECT. ECT will maximize the therapeutic effect and minimize the adverse effect. These are the two basic goals of ECT, electroconvulsion therapy. That means हम इससे क्या करते हैं कि पेशेंट में मैक्सिमम रिस्पॉन्स डेवलप करते हैं ठीक होने के लिए और एडवर्स इफेक्ट को कम करने के लिए. Next we are discussing about the types of ECT. Before the types, I will suggest something to you that is important for you. According in the ECT is a voltage. You must remember that the voltage in ECT that should be up 70 to 130 volt. Okay, that is very much important as per the exam of you. Sometime examiner ask directly the voltage of ECT, that is 70 to 130 volt. The current that should pass through the electrodes, that is 200 to 1600 milliampere. The current that will pass through the electrodes are 200 to 1600 milliampere, and the timing for that we are introducing the ECT, that is 0.6 second to 1 second, that not extend more than the 1 second. It is some common things which we are remembering. And in a patient we can use the maximum 20 to 25 ECT. For a treatment we can use only 20 to 25 ECT. ठीक है, टोटल इतनी ही काम में ले सकते हैं. एक वीक में मैक्सिमम कितनी दे सकते हैं? 3 मैक्सिमम इन ए वीक. एक वीक में कितनी? 3 दे सकते हैं. और समटाइम एग्जामिनर विल यू आस्क यू दैट मैक्सिमम इफेक्ट आपको कब शोन होता है. दैट इफेक्ट ऑफ ECT यू कैन सीन आफ्टर टेकिंग द 5 to 10 ECT. जब आप 5 से 10 ECT ले चुके होंगे उसके बाद आपको मैक्सिमम इफेक्ट आएगा. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ ECT. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टेक्निक ECT may be direct or modified ECT. Direct ECT, that means we are not using direct ECT without using of drug. Small छोटा सा आपको बता रहा हूँ जिसमें हम ड्रग्स नहीं देते. इन दिस ECT is given in the absence of anesthesia or muscles relaxant. Modified ECT or indirect ECT, in which we using the drugs such as atropine, succinylcholine, thiopentol, which are having the anesthesia effect, muscle relaxant, that minimizing the effect of ECT. Next, on the base of placement, ECT may be two types: bilateral or unilateral. Bilateral, in which both sides at the temporal region on the side we place the electrodes. You can see here, this is the bilateral ECT and this one is unilateral ECT. In bilateral, we place the electrodes on the both side of head. In the temporal region we place the, when we are placing the electrodes, you should remember that we take a margin from, it is most that should be, the placement should be make 2.5 to 4, yani 1 to 1.5 inches, 2.5 to 4 centimeter, or 1 to 1.5 inch above the midpoint of imaginary line between ear tragus and lateral canthus. देखो, you can see when we are zooming the diagram, here is your eye, it's your eye, and it your ear. Your ear have the ear tragus here, and it is the lateral canthus of eye. We draw a imaginary line, not directly we putting any line on the patient. We just imagine a imaginary line, mid of the imaginary line, above to the midpoint of imaginary line, 2.5 to 4 centimeter, 2.5 to 4 centimeter above we placing the electrodes. Okay, before use of electrode, dip in normal saline or 25 bicarbonate solution to increase conduction. This is the placement of electrode. In the bilateral ECT, we place the electrodes in the both side of the brain of the head, and unilateral we placing the electrodes on one side only. Okay? In unilateral, it is not commonly used, but it is safe. In this type, electrodes are placed only one side of head, usually non-dominant side. Must be remember that in unilateral we placing the electrodes on non-dominant side. Non-dominant side means right side of head is a right-handed individual. ठीक है? Unilateral is ECT is safer with much fewer side effect. ठीक है? That we this is the ECT according to the placement of electrodes. So next we will discuss about the indication. कौन सी चीज़ें हमें ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए when we are performing a ECT procedure on a patient? Upon the availability of psychotropic drugs, common indications are: we can use the ECT in severe depression, psychotic depression, unipolar bipolar depression, means we can use the ECT in major depressions. We can use ECT in schizophrenia. Only some of schizophrenia are responding in the ECT, जैसे catatonic. In the catatonic schizophrenia, we can use the ECT. Patients those are having the suicidal tendency, we can use the ECT. With the mania patient, we can use the ECT. In the OCD patient, we can use the ECT, and postpartum psychosis, we can use the ECT. And we cannot be used the ECT. These are called the contraindication. Contraindication, that means we are not using the ECT. Absolute contraindication means sure we have the prohibited ECT in this type of patient. Those are having the raised ICP, intracranial pressure जिनका increase होता है, उनको कभी भी never ever can give the ECT. Rather than that, patients which the some are other there increase ICP, and patient with those are having the metallic implant in the body, and patient with the MI. These three are absolute contraindication. And some other contraindications such as pregnancy, in cerebral aneurysm, cerebral hemorrhage, brain tumor, congestive heart failure, retinal detachment, high risk pregnancy, severe osteoporosis, severe respiratory disease, active bone disease, patient below the 16-year, severe hypertension, we are not using the ECT. ठीक है. अब now we are discussing how much members in the ECT team. In ECT team there is psychotherapist, those are conducting the ECT, anesthesiologist, ECT nurse, trained nurse, recovery room nurse. These are the team members for the ECT. Next we are discussing about the rights of patient. Rights of patient, there are advice and second opinion. Every patient have the legal or medical legal right to be get the legal or medical advice. Okay, right to be get a second opinion about whatever you need ECT. Patient second opinion भी ले सकता है. Consulting to ECT, if the patient is able to give informed consent, the patient can only give the ECT if he agrees. ठीक है. If patient is not able, in that case, the patient relatives can give the consent. Withdrawing consent to ECT. If patient is able, patient can withdraw the his or her consent at any time. Patient have the right if ECT if the patient is not able to give informed consent. If the patient is not able to give the informed consent to ECT, his psychiatrist can consent if he recommends. ठीक है. अगर पेशेंट एबल नहीं है तो पेशेंट के साइकेट्रिक जो ट्रीटमेंट प्रोवाइड करवाने वाले डॉक्टर हैं, दे कैन advise the ECT. Next one is urgent ECT. If the patient need ECT urgently because of his mental illness, if can be given to him without his consent. If this happens, his psychiatrist will explain to him why the treatment is urgent. These are the rights of patient. So these all about the ECT. In last, we are discussing about the nursing management that requires in ECT. Psychiatric nurse has always had a role in assessment with ECT procedure. Nurse intervention before giving ECT. Patient detailed medical and psychiatric history, including history of allergies, emotional support, and educate the client. Consent signatures must be taken. The patient should be given nothing from mouth before 5 hours of treatment. Check psychiatrist order. Make sure throughout the physical examination has done by the doctor, such as ECG, lung, bone, blood for HB, urine for the sugar, X-ray, etc. Administered injections which are muscle relaxant and such as atropine sulfate, ठीक है, succinylcholine and thiopental. Next, remove metallic articles from his body. Example: hair clips, pin, jewelry, etc. Because they can cause these are metal are the good conductor of electricity. They can cause burn. So remove it. Remove the lipstick, nail polish, and other makeup. Encourage the patient to empty his bladder and bowel before the procedure. Preparation of equipments. Nurse should be take all the equipments in the working condition, such as electrotherapy machine, electrode, bowel and saline solution, oxygen apparatus, blood pressure, stethoscope, airway, mouth gag, gauze piece, suction apparatus. Prepare bed in which patient is to be kept after ECT, ventilation equipment, etc. And nurse should be intervent the drugs which are necessary, uh, which are important during or after the procedure. This is all about the ECT. If you have any doubt, you can ask me at any time. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.